Hello guys, thinking about delivering with Uber Eats in 2025, let's break down exactly what you need to qualify, what documents are required and how to get on the road fast. So, first is age and vehicle requirement. You must be at least 18 years old to deliver by bike or a scooter and 19 to 21 plus for car deliveries. That is depending on your city. Your vehicle typically needs to be from 1998 or newer, but some areas accept older cars for delivery only. Now another requirement is driver's license and insurance. A valid driver's license is required for car and scooter deliveries. You will also need proof of auto insurance with your name on the policy. Even though you're delivering, you still need personal insurance to pass Uber's checks. Now, another requirement is background check. Uber conducts a background check for all deliveries using your social security number. They screen for criminal history and driving violations. Minor traffic tickets are usually fine, but serious charges or recent suspensions can disqualify you. Another requirement is required documents. So you will need to upload your driver's license, proof of insurance, and vehicle registration. For bike deliveries, a photo ID is enough. Make sure that your documents are clear, not expired, and match the information you submit in your profile. Once approved, download the Uber Driver app, log in, and complete the onboarding steps. You can set up direct deposit for weekly payments and choose your delivery method like car, bike, or a scooter directly in the app settings. Now, final verdict, Uber Eats makes getting started pretty easy, especially if you're delivering by bike or a scooter. Meeting the basic age, license, and insurance requirements can get you on the road quickly, with most approvals taking just a few days. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.